Hey folks, it's Russ. Today is Monday, December 4th, 2023. I hope you're having a great day. A lot of people have been asking me where are the best places to promote GotBackup online. So I thought that I would do a quick video and just let everyone know that I did compile a list of over 80 different sites that you can use to promote GotBackup. All right. The majority of these sites I use daily to promote GotBackup, although 95% of all my direct referrals come from Facebook and YouTube. But a lot of people, when I tell them that, some of them don't like Facebook, some of them don't like creating videos. So that is why I made this little website with all of the 80 plus different places on there. They're all legit websites. You don't have to worry about getting scammed or anything like that. This is the same site that I send out to all of my personal direct referrals in GotBackup. And because so many people have been asking me about this, I just thought that I'd do a video and share this page with everybody who's involved with GotBackup. All right. We're all a big team here, so why not help each other? So below this video, there's a link that will take you over to a page that looks like this. Okay. And you can see sites I use to promote GotBackup daily. These are the sites I am currently using daily to promote my GotBackup business. While most are free to join and use, I highly recommend upgrading all of them to increase your chances of receiving the best possible results. Clearly, it says your results are based on your work ethic and are not guaranteed. And please note, these are my affiliate links, and I might earn a commission from all of those who join and upgrade. All right, just to be honest with you. Then I also have the daily affirmation that I say, and I shared that in our official Facebook group. It's very important. I believe very, very much in affirmations and the power of, what you put out, you get back. So I have that included here as well. And then down below that is the 80 plus different sites that you can use to promote your GotBackup business opportunity and services. Okay. So if you have any questions about it, just leave them down in the comments section and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Now, if you never heard of GotBackup, or maybe you're interested in learning more about GotBackup, there's also a link down there where you can take a free tour. Okay. GotBackup, folks, there's no other business like it. And it is my final network marketing business that I'm going to be involved with. Okay. I love everything about the company. We launched back in April of this year, and that's when I joined. I joined right in the beginning. I don't even know if there was 200 members when I joined, but we have over 35,000 members in it now. We're in over 125 countries. And Joel Tarian, the owner and CEO, his parent company, GVO, has been in business for over 25 years. He's earned over $300 million in that time. And, everything about the company, I just love everything about it. It's a great opportunity because while there are other data storage providers online, there are none in the network marketing business space. Okay. So those other companies aren't bad. We use the same type of software, but we provide way more value. You can get 6 terabytes of data storage for $9.97 a month. You can share that with up to 5 other people for a total of 6 separate accounts. You can use it on an unlimited amount of devices. And we have a compensation plan that is very easy to understand and extremely lucrative, okay, for all of those action takers out there. So the first month, you're going to earn a 200% commission. That's followed by a 25% commission for every month your direct referral stays active after the first month. You also get a 25% check match on all of your direct referrals. So if you have some, heavy marketers that come in and knock it out of the park and they're earning, say $10,000 a month eventually down the road, you're going to get a 25% check match or $2,500 each month just because they're your direct referral. Then we also have a binary structure where the company takes 25% of the net profits and they divide that up each month into our binary. So it's a very easy to understand compensation plan, and it can be very lucrative to all the action takers out there. Now, again, there's no guarantee that you're going to make any money with this, but I can guarantee you that if you take action and share this opportunity with everybody who has a cell phone, which are, billions and billions and billions of people have cell phones. You can't look, the only way that you can go with this company is up. You're going to win if you take action. Okay. So currently we have a special right now running where you can join this for $9.97, and the reseller fee has been waived. I don't know how long that's going to last, but the link is down below if you just happen to stumble upon this and you're not yet involved with GotBackup. Okay. So again, if you have any questions about any of this, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. And if you find any value in my videos, please consider giving me a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel if you haven't already. It helps me out a lot, and I greatly appreciate it. So that's it for now. All of you who are in GotBackup looking for places to promote GotBackup online, click the link down below. There's 80 plus different places that you can use. All you have to do is put in the work, take action, promote GotBackup every single day. Try to get a minimum of at least 2 people to watch your tour page video, and good things will happen. Okay. So I appreciate your time. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. And until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you.